what do you think drivers should do if they do get in an accident while they're driving on the job?
Well, what you do at the scene of an accident is extremely important. The most important thing that you can do is document the event. Evidence at the scene, it doesn't last forever. You want to be able to identify witnesses, make sure that you've got your passengers' contact information, make a police report. I know a lot of drivers are afraid to do that. They think there's going to be repercussions, but the evidence that you collect there is really what the basis of the case is founded on. So we use photos, we use witness statements, we use police reports to put together your claim. And that's ultimately how we're going to put money in your pocket, by establishing what happened at the scene, who's at fault, and what damages you sustained as a result.
Okay, yeah, so I'm guessing you recommend that drivers get a dash cam, probably.
Absolutely. We tell drivers all the time that dash cameras are the single most important safety tool that you can have in your vehicle. And that's for two reasons. One, it establishes what happened. If you're getting a car accident, if there's a false accusation against you, the camera does not lie. And you can use that evidence to further your claim or your defense if necessary. And the other thing that the dash cam provides is a deterrent. So we found that drivers who have dash cameras and who displayed the fact that they have dash cameras with signage, or telling passengers that, you're being recorded for your safety in mind, they have far fewer instances of false accusations, of assaults and batteries. People are genuinely deterred by the fact that they're being recorded.
Yeah, because I guess it's like having a security camera just inside of your car. So that's good.
That's exactly right. It's a security device. It's like having Uber support and the police, sitting right there in your vehicle, and they've got your back. You have a tool that many other drivers don't have, and people aren't going to target you if you've got that recording in place.